وزیر مملکت برائے صحت سائرہ افزل تارڑ کا خطاب کرتے ہوئے کہنا تھا
care of the health of their people, and I think we are committed to that, and this is the reason that for the first time federal government along with the provinces have their own PC1. Governments have allocated their own resources, maybe a minimum amount. Maybe we have to think about it that this is enough, but what we have to do, we have to make different intervention. This food fortification is one of the solution. Now another core issue which I am going to mention today is what we have to do, we have to focus on our adolescent girls. This challenge started even before pregnancy, even before delivering a child, and that is that age where our adolescent girls are not getting the proper nutrition. Many men are sitting in this room. What we need is we have that behavioral change when we talk about women empowerment. When we talk about gender equality, it is not that women are getting some money.
وزیر مملکت برائے صحت نے کہا
It is not that we can put them in some board and we make some legislation. That is a change. We have to address that discrimination which is right from the beginning. Pasha Saab is here, the whole KP was at Almaty. You know, there were so many representation. We all were there. But what we need to do is, and especially in societies where the male dominance is to such extent, I belong to central Punjab, which is a very, prosperous area. But what I can see is that even right from the beginning, there is discrimination. My grandmother used to put, all the good meat for my father and my brother. And when we start going to school and we had that exposure, so we always used to, and alhamdulillah, often, why I am here? That is the confidence. That is the equal share which is given to me by my parents. In schooling, in brought up, in exposure, I don't remember even a single trip of my parents outside Pakistan without us.
سائرہ افزل تارڑ کا مزید کہنا تھا
And I have only one brother. So that is an area where we have to focus equality in every aspect. So that age, and the second thing is that the Secretary Gilgit-Baltistan mentioned, that is where we have to make awareness. And sometimes I think the repetition of the typical similar words don't affect. Somebody was saying, presenting from nutrition department, and he was saying that this fortification is the most, and he gave us just pause, and I say cost effective. So there are some terms which we all are familiar. What we have to do, we have to change the stance. And I think UNICEF and all our mobilization and partners can do this. बच्चे दो ही अच्छे काम करना छोड़ गए. So अब हमें किस पे हमने किया कि माँ की सेहत is important for birth spacing, for family planning. So what we have to do, we have to sensitize our finance ministries also that how this malnutrition is affecting your GDP, how this is affecting our human development, because they are the one who have to allocate the money. So another thing that I always say, that we have a National Food Fortification Alliance here, which we constituted, I think in 2015, and which is a very effective forum.
For future utilization of premix or availability of premix.
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties.
देसी खानों के मतवाले हो जाएं तैयार। पाकिस्तान का सबसे बड़ा बुफे वीकेंड आ गया है। 21, 22 और 23 अप्रैल जुमा, हफ्ता और इतवार पाकिस्तान का दस्तरख्वान सजाएगा देसी खानों का बेहतरीन इंतखाब फेयर हॉल गार्डन्स कराची में। जो चाहो जितना चाहो खाओ। #PKDKHI।